What do we have
we
here?
have this Christmas tree. This amazing, beautiful Christmas tree. The kitchen is to die for.
Is
We have
it?
so many things here.
Bro.
Look at this.
Bro can take few cutlery.
I had the same.
This is cute.
The vintage microwave.
It's very cute.
And then we have
We have everything stocked up.
these cutleries. And the spice. So many spices.
This is the best part, I think.
Yes. It has everything. Everything. Then
We have laundry room.
this is the laundry room. And we also have this iron board and everything.
It's okay. We have
Yes.
wearing winter clothes. Eh, nice. We are here.
We
Where?
are
Here. No. Here.
somewhere
Sorry.
here. Somewhere here. Okay. Then moving on to
We have TV.
the TV. Netflix is all set up. This is the first room.
It's cute.
Yes. And this
Hey,
is
that's
something.
nice.
Yes.
Bro, we have too much stuff. This is our room.
Yes, this is our room,
This is the
which is all
best.
set up with the perfect mirror. The bathroom is small, but it's really nice.
The mirror is really good.
And then we have this room. The
Naina's
third
room?
Naina's room.
It's not nice.
It's not nice at all.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Don't have. They have some.
अभी मैं पेज चालू क्या देखना सारा अच्छा लगा
सिंगल बेड लिया उसमें भी प्रॉब्लम है.
And oh my god.
नहीं इट्स फाइन वो हम सिंगल
See?
क्या है ये? बेडशीट्स है.
Bed sheets.
Then after that, we grab a couple of phony passports. It's on the Rio. You want to shit?
Madhvi, where have we come?
Bear alive. नहीं, bear is Zona.
ये क्या होता है? Bear alive क्या होता है?
Bear alive, I said. It's bear is Zona.
photo
It's a video.
But we have a map. No, explain where are we right now?
See, where are we? What did we see?
excited वो bulls.
See, we're here. Oh, we're gonna see a mountain goat. Or did we see
We
it?
saw a mountain goat.
Oh, yeah, we are this way.
उसके हाथ पे लगा दो
American burrow. Next is Arctic wolves. Then black bear.
But how is it of 3 hours?
वाले हैं.
Hey, she said 3 hours in total, right?
2 to 4.
ये क्या इतना कम हो रहा है?
वो स्मेल बिना वाली है ना
Yeah, it doesn't feel like it's
Yeah,
for.
and then this is some different thing. Or
Dude, the drive is
oh,
just.
there is walkthrough also. This
Yeah.
is drive through and then
Yeah.
So today we have come to Arizona.
Wildlife Park,
Yes, and we just completed our drive through.
which was amazing
Yes, we
because we
got
got to see the Arctic wolves,
bears, then
bears, baby bears, and big bears.
reindeers, and now we have come for our walk through the wildlife, and this is the entrance. कौन सा ट्रेल है ये?
Our point.
Is it very famous?
Yes, it has the best view
Of Grand Canyon.
for Grand Canyon.
Are you taking us?
Please take us. Please take us.
अरे यार, I think it's the कितना miles है?
1 mile.
Hike ही 1 mile का है.
Hike is 1.8 miles.
अच्छा ओ. Let's see. We have searched some trail. क्या ट्रेल का नाम क्या है? काइबाब. अरे काइबाब उआ पॉइंट है.
काइबाब ट्रेल.
काइबाब ट्रेल.
काइबाब नेशनल पार्क.
ब्रो इधर पार्किंग था, हम चल क्यों रहे हो?
But इधर we are not allowed to bring our cars now.
Okay, okay.
They must
How
have had
many
the
trails
cars.
are there to just see the Grand
A
Canyon?
lot of trails.
Okay, we are just taking the Kaibab trail,
हाँ.
and then
We're going to the Uwa point.
we're going to the Uwa point
अरे but
for the overlook of the Grand Canyon.
तो allowed नहीं था.
It's currently 5 degrees, but it's very windy.
It's fine. Is there as much map? Yes.
We have started our trail, which is just of
Zigzag, zigzag.
1 mile.
ये देखो.
Bro, from every turn we'll see a different,
A different view.
view.
हाँ.
It's Thanksgiving, but there are so many people, just like
That's
us.
what everyone said.
Yeah. Now what is this different? It's gonna look the same after a point.
Yeah, but I think because of the sun.
Oh, we have to go down?
नहीं.
I thought there are steps. Oh, देखो.
और हाँ साथ में सबको ना सीट बढ़ाओ.
We were over there, and now we are looking from this point. Finally reached the Uwa point.
ये Uwa point और जाना है तो चल सकते
यहाँ से क्या उआ चिल्लाना है? मैं नहीं चिल्ला रही.
This is what you want to do.
Take the wall and paint it red. ये गाने इसके लिए सूट भी कर रहा है.
कौन से?
Take the wall and paint it red.
हाँ ये अच्छा रहेगा. यहाँ पे सब एक पिक ले लेते हैं, वो दोनों को भी आ जाने दो. इसको देखो. अरे शाबाश हो गया.
हालत टाइट है ना? हालत टाइट है ना?
बहुत. हैवी कहाँ गई? है टिक्की भी है.
Mohit enjoyed while going down, na? So, running, he was running. He was like, we can go one more mile.
We go 6 more miles.
6 more miles, and while coming back,
अब तो आ गया. नो डॉग्स आ गया ना.
Yeah, the down hikes are much worse than those up hikes. Those are better.
I think I like up hikes because while going time you are very energetic.
Because yeah, and you have something to see, right?
Yeah.
This is like you have to walk back and then go back
Yeah.
to your car.
Sunset is at 5:20, so we are going to some different point to see that. कैसी है तुम्हारी हालत? खाना ढूंढ रही हो ना?
हाँ गेटरेड लाई थी ना. यही टाइम के लिए लाई.
इतना खाना लाए हैं भाई, पूरा दुकान है इधर.
हाँ तो पहले गेटरेड पीऊंगी फिर पूरी खाऊंगी हाथ धो.
This is Mather Point. I think it's very famous. I think because you get a broad view of the entire canyon. We were over there only somewhere, no? कैसा लगा Mather Point?
Mather Point was
This sky was on fire. Sky was on fire.
Yes.
हाँ.
And also
हमारी ट्रेल कौन सी थी? केव से कुछ तो
Kaibab. Kaibab. South Kaibab.
हाँ आई थिंक
And then we
Trail-
took that trail to reach
अच्छी
Uwa
थी.
Point.
हाँ वो अच्छा
Look at
ट्रेल था.
this.
And we have come to Mather Point and
Look at the sky.
Yeah, it's literally on fire.
Seriously.
It's not capture नहीं हो रहा जितना अच्छा है.
हाँ. That's true.
What's up, guys? So in today's itinerary, in the morning we covered Lower Antelope, but we weren't allowed to take any videos, so I couldn't record the tour. But currently I am at Horseshoe Bend, and the view from here is really amazing. I think Page is famous for Horseshoe Bend, then the Lower Antelope canyons and other canyons, but these two are the best. And this is the view. Whoa.
अच्छा है ये.
कैसे लगा तुमको हॉर्सशू?
अलीशा इसमें जूम होता है?
काफी क्राउडेड है ब्रो इधर. हाँ इसमें होता है.
तो जो तुम ले रही हो यू कैन डू जूम इट लेटर.
वो हाँ क्रॉप करके टाइप. बट काफी क्राउडेड है भाई.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
बहुत लोग कचरा
पर हॉर्सशू बैंड का मतलब क्या है?
अरे ये जो बेंड है ना, ये रिवर देखो ऐसे बेंड हो रही है.
दिस
हॉर्स के वो घोड़े के नाल होते हैं ना, उसकी शेप का है इसके लिए.
दिस इज द कोलोराडो रिवर. इट्स नॉट फ्लोइंग. क्या हो रहा है?
इट इज फ्लोइंग.
क्यों नहीं दिख रहा है?
अरे वो थोड़ा एल्गी है, बट इट इज फ्लोइंग.
या एंड आई थिंक लाइक माधवी मेंशन करो व्हाई इट्स कॉल्ड हॉर्सशू बैंड.
बिकॉज इट इज इन द शेप ऑफ अ हॉर्स शू.
Damn.
सो घोड़े के नाल.
Dude, this entire place is amazing.
अरे यहाँ से दिख रहा है मस्त एकदम.
If we would have been able to record Lower Antelope, the design, I mean the
Oh हाँ, it could have been really.
yeah, but then unfortunately
So people kayak from one end to the other end.
we are gonna kayak.
No, but we won't be kayaking the entire bend.
We are not coming to the bend, but we are going to a lake. It will be through these red rocks only. There are so many viewpoints. Where should we go?
I like this.
So today we covered Horseshoe Bend and Lower Antelope. Then we went and saw the overlook of Lake Powell, but we were not able to kayak since it's not the season to do that. Kayaking, I think they stop by October. There is one more available in some village. We'll try if we can do that tomorrow. But we've come here to the Marble Canyon, and the view from here is really amazing. Again, here there is one more viewpoint. I mean, a trail. I think it's the Wave, but it requires permit and it's a lottery system, so we were not able to do that. But the Marble Canyon is really pretty. It's sunset time, so the red rocks looks amazing, and here on the bridge we can also see the Colorado River. So this is the bridge. That's Marble Canyon over there, and
she's talking ना.
this is Navajo Bridge. Historic Navajo Historic Bridge, which Moher didn't like, but
Why I didn't like?
I don't know. You're very choosy.
हमारी ब्लॉग में
It was nice.
And there are birds down there.
किधर है? मेरे को नहीं देखना.
वो देख उधर है उधर.
ऐसा लग रहा है इंसान है, ऊपर नीचे बैठा है.
किधर है बर्ड?
नीचे.
मुझे क्यों नहीं दिख रही? नहीं छोड़ो.